Slide blister trays by ClearBags are the perfect way to easily customize your packaging. Made from food-safe, crystal-clear PET material, these trays provide outstanding visibility and protection of your product. To use, simply slide a custom-printed backer card through the folds and secure with staples or a heat sealer. Slide blister trays are ideal packaging for fishing tackle, craft supplies, hardware, beauty products, pet supplies, and more. Available in multiple sizes and depths, these thermoform trays feature a sombrero-style hang hole and are made of 14mm PET material. Each comes with a cavity and rounded edges for convenience. Your custom backing cards give these slide blister trays their finishing look. Be seen with slide blister trays by ClearBags.